Funko Fools!
What's up, guys? This is Shtkodysays back again with another unboxing, and today we have a very special unboxing! The GameStop exclusive Blizzard Winter Wonderland Overwatch box. Now in this box I think it comes with 2 pops, and it also comes with a keychain and also, I believe, a stocking. It's very wintry. I've been waiting for this box for a good long time. I checked every week at GameStop to see if it had come in yet. I was really excited for it. Any type of special edition pop that's a different skin of the character is always something I look forward to getting. So let's open this up and see what we got. Ooh. So right off the bat, let's see. Let's take a look at the stocking. We got the May stocking. There's 2 different ones that come in this. There is the Tracer stocking right here. So May and Tracer, those are actually the pops that come in this also. So I think Dakota wants this.
Merry Footmas!
Now as far as pops go though, just like what's on the stockings, you got Tracer, which is a very cool pop. I like the way she looks. And you also get the Christmas May skin. Santa May. I don't know exactly what the skin's called. Very cool pop though, all the same.
It's like Merry Christmas or something.
Yeah, Merry Christmas. And then you get the cute little snowball keychain. If you can even see that, if it'll focus in. I don't think it's going to. But it's super cute. I like it. Let's take a closer look at the pops. Alright guys, that's about it. These are some awesome pops. It's an awesome box, and for $20 you can't really beat it. I mean, you get 2 pops and 1 stocking. It's random which one you get. I would highly recommend this box, especially if you like Overwatch. But that's about it. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bar, and follow us all on our Instagram pages. Thanks for watching, guys.